Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. JSON arrays, a comprehensive tutorial with code examples. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. A fundamental part of JSON is the ability to represent arrays, which are ordered lists of values. This tutorial delves into the intricacies of JSON arrays, covering their syntax, usage, encoding, decoding, validation, and best practices with practical code examples in multiple languages, Python and JavaScript. 1. Understanding JSON arrays. A JSON array is an ordered collection of 0 or more values. These values can be of any valid JSON data type, including asterisk primitive types asterisk string, a sequence of Unicode characters enclosed in double quotes. Example, hello, world. Asterisk number, a numeric value, integer or floating point. Example, 42, 3.14-10. Asterisk boolean, true or false. Asterisk null, represents the absence of a value. Asterisk complex types asterisk object, a collection of key value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Asterisk array, an ordered list of values enclosed in square brackets. This is what we're focusing on. Syntax asterisk. JSON arrays are represented by square brackets. Values within the array are separated by commas, comma. This JSON snippet represents an array of strings. It's important to understand that arrays are ordered. The first element is apple, the second is banana, and the third is cherry. Order is significant in many applications. Nested arrays asterisk. JSON arrays can be nested, meaning an array can contain another array as one of its elements. This allows for representing multidimensional data structures. This represents a 2D array, a matrix, where each inner array represents a row. Mixed data types asterisk. JSON arrays can also contain values of different data types. This array contains a string, a number, a boolean, null, and an object. While allowed, mixing data types is not always the best practice, especially if you intend to process the array in a strongly typed language. Consistency generally improves code readability and maintainability. 2. Encoding JSON arrays, serialization. Encoding, also known as serialization, is the process of converting data structures from your programming language, example Python lists, JavaScript arrays, into a JSON string representation. Python asterisk. Python's JSON module provides the JSON.dumps function for encoding. Asterisk JSON.dumps, data, takes a Python object, data, which is a list in this case, and converts it into a JSON formatted string. Asterisk indent equals 4, this optional argument adds indentation to the output JSON string, making it more human readable. The 4 specifies the number of spaces for each level of indentation. JavaScript asterisk. JavaScript's built-in JSON object provides the JSON.stringify method. Asterisk JSON.stringify, data, converts a JavaScript object, data, which is an array, into a JSON formatted string. Asterisk JSON.stringify, data, null, 4, the second argument, here null, is a replacer function, or null for default behavior. The third argument, here 4, is the number of spaces to use for indentation, similar to Python's indent parameter. 3. Decoding JSON arrays, deserialization. Decoding, also known as deserialization or parsing, is the reverse process of encoding. It converts a JSON string back into a data structure in your programming language. Python *. Python's JSON module provides the JSON.loads function for decoding. *JSON.loads, JSON_string, takes a JSON formatted string, JSON_string, and converts it into a Python list. JavaScript *. JavaScript's built-in JSON object provides the JSON.parse method. *JSON.parse, JSON string, takes a JSON formatted string, JSON string, and converts it into a JavaScript array. Note that type of data returns object, but array.is array, data, confirms that it's indeed an array. This is a common quirk of JavaScript. Error handling *. Both JSON.loads, Python, and JSON.parse, JavaScript, will raise an exception if the provided string is not valid JSON. It's crucial to handle these exceptions gracefully. Python *. JavaScript *. 4. Working with JSON arrays in practice. Let's look at some practical examples of how to use JSON arrays in real-world scenarios. Scenario 1, representing a list of products. This JSON represents an array of product objects. Each object has properties like ID, name, price, and category. This is a common way to represent lists of entities in APIs. Python example, accessing product data. JavaScript example, accessing product data. Scenario 2, storing coordinates of a polygon. This JSON uses a nested array to represent the coordinates of a polygon. The outer array contains one element, which is an array of linear rings, in this case, just one. Each linear ring is an array of points, where each point is represented as an array of two numbers, longitude and latitude. This is a common pattern in GeoJSON. 5. JSON array validation. Validating JSON is essential to ensure data integrity and prevent errors in your application. You want to verify that the JSON conforms to a specific schema, ensuring the correct data types and structure. There are several tools and libraries available for JSON schema validation. JSON schema *. JSON schema is a standard for describing the structure and data types of JSON documents. It defines a vocabulary that allows you to specify constraints on the data. You can use a validator library in your programming language to compare your JSON data against a JSON schema. Example, JSON schema for a list of products, from Scenario 1. *type, array, specifies that the JSON document should be an array. *items, defines the schema for each item in the array. *type, object, each item should be an object. *properties, defines the properties of the object, ID, name, price, category. For each property, you specify the type, example integer, string, number. *required, specifies which properties are mandatory. Python validation with JSON schema library *. JavaScript validation with AJV library *. AJV, JavaScript. This is a popular JSON schema validator library for JavaScript. You'll need to install it using npm install AJV or yarn add AJV. It compiles the schema and then validates the data against it. *JSON schema, Python install using pip install JSON schema. The validate function checks if the data conforms to the specified schema. 6. Best practices for working with JSON arrays. Asterisk keep it simple. Asterisk avoid overly complex nesting unless necessary. Simpler JSON is easier to understand and process. Asterisk be consistent. Asterisk if you have an array of objects, ensure that all objects in the array have the same structure, same properties and data types for those properties. This improves code reliability. Asterisk use meaningful keys. Asterisk choose descriptive and concise keys for your JSON objects. Asterisk handle errors. Asterisk always include error handling when parsing JSON to gracefully handle invalid or unexpected data. Asterisk validate your data. Asterisk use JSON schema or other validation techniques to ensure that your JSON conforms to the expected structure. Asterisk format for readability. Asterisk when storing JSON, use indentation, example indent equals 4 in Python or the third argument to JSON.stringify in JavaScript, to make it easier to read and debug. This is less important for network transmission, where minimizing size is a priority. Asterisk consider size. Asterisk for large JSON documents, consider compression techniques to reduce network bandwidth and storage space. 7. Advanced topics, brief overview. Asterisk streaming JSON. Asterisk for extremely large JSON files that don't fit in memory, you can use streaming parsers that process the JSON incrementally. Asterisk JSON patch. Asterisk a standardized format for describing changes to a JSON document, adding, removing, or replacing elements. Useful for updating JSON data without sending the entire document. Asterisk JSON path. Asterisk a query language for JSON, similar to XPath for XML. Allows you to select specific elements from a JSON document using path expressions. This comprehensive tutorial should give you a solid understanding of JSON arrays and how to work with them effectively in your projects. Remember to practice with the code examples and explore the advanced topics as needed for your specific use cases. Good luck.